hear about my little issues in life. This item here, I'm going to be Hey everybody, Jay Jackson here today, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back, people. It's been so long enough since I have recorded a video, so much that I have kind of forgotten some things because, but I digress because that's not why you're here. You're here to see the things that I am going to be decluttering for the month. And this is a collaboration, and it is hosted by my friend Joy. So be sure to check out her channel, as well as the playlists of all the other ladies that are going to be participating. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, so my first item that I'm going to be decluttering is this rack here. Now, it's been so long since I've had this rack. I don't even remember what this rack, what it goes to. I have no idea. And that's why I'm letting it go, because no idea. If you hear cars outside, I am right by the window. My street is right here anyway. I digress. As I said, you are not here to hear about my little issues in life. This item here, I'm going to be decluttering because I don't know what it belongs to. So that's the first item. Second and third item are these here. I purchased these from the Dollar Tree. I don't even know how long ago. I really don't have a use for them. So they are going to probably most likely the Salvation Army, because that's where I donate a lot of my items that I declutter. Okay, so my next item is this here. I'm going to donate this because I just don't use it. I bought it and I think I had good intentions, like most of the time we do, and I just haven't used it. So it's going to the Salvation Army. Next item is going to be this sign here. I used to have this on my door in my master bedroom, but I am doing some different things in my room, and I just decided that I am going to just have to give this up, because I like it, but not enough. You know how your design ideas change over time, and that's really what it is. That's one of the reasons why I'm going to just go ahead and let this pretty little sign go. I'll probably try and end up selling it on Facebook Marketplace, because that, if you don't know, is a great source for when it is something that is going to be useful for someone else, and it is something that they may want or like. So, not Salvation Army. Yes, Salvation Army, as well as Facebook Marketplace, are always my go-to places for when I'm donating or getting rid of something. So I might, if I get up I won't say the courage, that's not what I'm looking for, wrong word, Jay Jackson, but it is more so if I feel like it, because sometimes it does take a little bit, taking the pictures and, oh, there I go, down the rabbit hole again. I'm going to be getting rid of this item. You know what it is, people. I haven't been talking to y'all so long. That's why I'm like talking too much in this video. So, this white towel here and this one, I'm getting rid of them basically because they are developing holes. And so I've gotten other towels to replace them. I will try and see about donating these to like the Humane Society, because I hear that towels is something that they're in need of for the different pets that, come in their facility. So that's what I'm going to be trying to do with these items. Then this sheet here. So yeah, I don't remember what it goes to. I think it went to a sheet set that we had a while back, but it is huge. So same thing. I don't even remember for sure why I even still have this. So I'm going to be donating this. Next thing is this robe here. So I'm going to let this go because I have a new one now that I replaced with this one. This one was, it has shrank and I've gotten a little bigger. We're not going to talk about that. But anyway, I am going to be donating this. Then here is this aux here. With our car, we don't have to use the aux in our car anymore like we used to back in the day. I'm not even sure why I still have this, but like all things, it's just not something that I really need anymore, and so I'm going to be donating this. Okay, so we have a pair of capris here. Actually, we got a lot going on here. What is going on? Okay, so this first pair is a pair of capris, so I'm going to let these go. I've gotten some other ones to replace them anyway. Then I have a pair of leggings here. They've gotten a little small on me, so I need to let these go. Pair of jeans here, Old Navy jeans. Although I love Old Navy, but they've gotten a little small for me, so I need to let these pants go. These here, I love these. I got them from the Dollar Tree. They have the little magnetic cylinders here, and they have a little top with them, but they really don't work well like I want them to. There's another one that I bought in place from the Dollar Tree, and it's larger in size, but it is also where, you know, the top works better. So yeah, I'll probably just end up tossing these, but I just wanted to let you guys see something that I'm going to be decluttering. So these are probably, just since I'm doing this video now, they are going to be going in the trash because they really don't work well, and I don't want to donate them to somebody if they don't work well for me, you know. Okay, this was a mask, well, it is a mask that my husband decided that he's going to let go. Although it was nice to have something warm over your eyes, but the thing is, our temperature during the night is face mask here, or sleeping mask, not face mask. Although it is good intentions, you know, with having something warm over your eyes during the winter, it gets really hot, you know, with this material here, this soft material, or not soft, the furry material. It's just too hot, no matter what time of year you want to use it, winter or not. Well, in most cases people will use it during the winter, but my point is, it's just too hot, so we're letting this go. So I'll probably end up, you know what, I think I might end up like tossing this because I don't think anybody else will probably want to use it. Okay, so I have this next item here. I don't even remember why I purchased it. It was probably, if I know myself, it was probably for a DIY project that I never did. And so I am just going to let this go because I can't think of any other reason to keep this. Okay, so I'm going to let this North Face jacket here go. I loved it. Beautiful color that I like a lot of times. But the only thing is, I just can't wear it anymore. So you know what? I might want to see if my daughter wants it. I don't know if she will or not. She got my other two North Face jackets. I don't know. I'll ask her. But anyway, I'm donating this. This will be so good to do this video and show you guys all the things that I'm decluttering, because then I can get this stuff out of my house. It's been in my house for a couple of months now. So anyway, it is good to be doing this video, is my point. Here's another jacket here. This used to be my son's jacket way back in the day. He's going to be 21 this year, and I took it over because I was able to wear it because it was bigger for me at that time. Notice I said at that time, because right now it is not bigger for me at that time. It's too small. So I'm going to be giving this away. Here is a dress. So at the beginning of the season, I decluttered some things in my closet, as you can see, with a lot of clothes that I am going to be getting rid of. So it wasn't just because some things were too small, but it was also because my tastes and some things have changed as well. So this is one of them. This is a cute dress. I used to really love this dress. I actually got this dress from a secondhand store, but it is since then, like I said, my choice of what I like to wear now has changed tremendously. And so I'm going to be giving this away to someone else that can wear it. Cute dress though. If you see it, pick it up. Okay, camouflage in the house. So let me start over again. So here we go. Camouflage in the house. Too small. And I don't really wear this color too much. No, I don't even know why I'm saying too much. I don't have any green in my wardrobe at the moment, so this is something that I'm going to be letting go. I might want to keep it though. Oh, see, there we go. Nope, letting it go. Letting it go. Okay, and so hubby, he gave me a top to declutter for him. He didn't see himself wearing this too much anymore, so this top right here is something that we're going to be letting go. Then I have this purse here. I really don't use this, or I didn't see myself grabbing for it a lot of times. And it's a Coach purse. My daughter doesn't want it, so I am going to just let this go. Then for the most part, my husband has given away a lot of his baseball hats. No, I won't say a lot of them. He gave away all of them, surprisingly, earlier this year. But, oh, what in the world? See, this has been downstairs so long, it's got a web on it. Anyway, as I was saying, we used to use this to clean our caps when we had to wash them, and that was the purpose of this item here. But since for the most part we really don't do that, that is the reason why I need to let this go, because right now, as you saw, webs on here, that means you haven't used it. That means you need to let it go. That's what that means. Anyway, we are donating this. Why did I say we are, as though I am more than one person? You all know what I mean. I am donating that item. Here we go with a what is this called? Soap dish, that's what it's called. So I'm going to let this go. Although I had great intentions of having this or using this. And you know what? I won't say great intentions, because I did end up using it in my shower. However, it kept falling even with the command hooks that I have here. And so I'm going to have to go ahead and let this go. I don't know, I'm thinking now that I'm looking at this, maybe I, no, I'm gonna let it go, because I haven't thought about it until I just saw it. So see, that's how things happen. You start kind of thinking like, maybe I shouldn't, maybe I should, maybe I keep it, and then you start keeping, no. Okay, and so my last item are these beautiful flowers here. Try and see, so I used to have these hanging in my bedroom, but same thing that I was mentioning earlier, because of my design and my choices with what I want in the room and what I don't want in the room any longer, I decided to let these go and go to someone else that will use them a little bit more than I do. Car people, car. Anyway, this is the life of being a YouTuber. So, as I was saying, so I had these in my room, but I will have to give these to someone that's going to put them in their house and make them of good use, because they're not useful for me any longer, because yeah, I just don't like them as much as I used to when I first got them. And actually, this piece down here at the bottom, all of this stuff was already, when I purchased these, I think from Salvation Army, they had some of the greenery already in here, and I added these flowers and things that you see because they weren't all a part of this basket here before purchasing. I got these flowers from the Dollar Tree, and I just added in the colors that I liked at that time. So anyway, but I have two of these, and I'm going to be letting the two of these things go. And that is it, people. So I am so grateful to be letting these things go, because sometimes when you have a cluttered house, you have a cluttered mind. Yes. Anyway, I thank you guys so much for being here today. Be sure to check out Joy's channel as we Anyway, I thank you guys so much for being here today. Be sure to check out Joy's channel as well as the playlist, because you know, you want to see about the things that people are decluttering. Our ladies and gents that may be a part of this collaboration. So be sure to check out the playlist to support those people too, as well as Joy's channel, because she's the one that put all this together. Thank you so much, Joy, for putting this together and having these monthly collaborations, because it really makes me accountable. I missed last month, but I'm here this month, people. So anyway, I will see you guys in the next one.